How to see all the games you've ever played on Roblox. Hello everyone, in this really quick and easy video, I'm going to be telling you on how you can see all the games you've ever played on Roblox. So, usually whenever you play a game on Roblox, up here, it's going to show you a section which is going to say continue. And under continue, it's going to give you a lot of games. So that continue section is your history, okay? It's your history of showing how many games you've played and if you want to continue playing those games. So let's say if I were to give you an example, let's say I'm gonna go ahead and add a play on this game. What's gonna happen is if we come back on home, like you have to play it for a while, you need to have a little game time in it, but once you have a little game time, up here it's going to show you a section saying continued, and in that continue section you're going to see all the games you've ever played. You're going to need a few minutes of game time obviously, but yeah, that is how you can see the history of games you've played on Roblox. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.